Welcome back to the channel. If you guys didn't see my last video, I showed you guys a Coyote that had an oil consumption problem. Now it's getting a new engine. I'm going to introduce you guys to Enrique. He's one of the master techs here. Been doing this for over a decade now. So yeah, let's see where he's working on right now. What's up, bro?
What up, bro?
So what are we doing today?
Putting a long block.
Long block?
Yeah.
Okay.
New
Okay.
5.0.
Nice.
Into the F150 right there.
So that's the old one right here.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So what is switched over? Is there anything that you got to reuse on this one?
You gotta reuse the intake manifold.
Okay.
Unless it's cause shock failure. Then you don't reuse. You have to put a new intake manifold.
Okay, so new intake manifold. You said earlier that they put a new water pump on this one.
Yeah, they put a new water pump, new thermostat housing, bypass C connector,
Nice.
new oil cooler, new valve covers.
Now, if they don't put this on, do you recommend people just go ahead and update the water pump?
Yes.
Okay.
Put a new water pump.
Okay.
New thermostat. While you're there.
Yeah.
New intake gaskets. You gotta transfer over the injectors though. You gotta reuse the injectors.
So you have to reuse the old injectors.
Yes.
Okay. I mean, if someone wants to get new injectors, can they just buy them after the fact?
Yeah, you can buy them.
Okay. Is it worth it?
I would just reuse them.
You just reuse them? Yeah. Okay. I mean, are they hard to get to if there's a failure with one of them?
Yes, you have to remove the intake manifold.
Okay. Gotcha.
Yes.
Gotcha. Nice. So, and you guys can see right here, you have all the headers. So you have to reuse these too. So if you're doing this out of pocket, why not just go ahead and upgrade your headers, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And do they give you new hardware for these too?
Yes.
Okay. Nice.
New gaskets,
All new gaskets.
new hardware.
New hard. Nice. And this is all extended warranty too.
Yes.
You might have to give me the name of that extended warranty. I might have to, because this is not an engine failure. This is just an oil consumption.
Yeah,
I didn't think they covered oil consumption, honestly.
yeah, they do.
Really? Okay. Interesting. Well, there you guys have it. Cars aren't as reliable as they used to be, so that might be something to consider. And so here's an old engine right here. I'm not sure if you guys even noticed in the other footage I showed, but there's a mouse hanging out right in there. So what are you guys gonna do with this old one?
Just take it back.
Okay.
It's a core.
Nice.
Send this. I don't know where they ship. I think they ship them back to Ford.
They're probably gonna rebuild it and put it back out.
Probably, yeah.
Nice. Well, the good news is, if you're concerned about getting this engine, they give you a 3-year unlimited mile warranty on the new one. What Enrique told me. So, good news is you don't have to worry about getting a bad engine and then in 6 months or whatever having issues with it. So, yeah, this is a reman, long block, and they do give you a lot of stuff. You guys can probably tell. They do give you the spark plugs as well on this one too, which makes sense on a new engine replacement. Now, is that new one already filled with oil too, or you have
Yes.
to? Oh, nice.
Yeah, it's already filled with oil. It's not
Nice.
the oil filter, but the oil filter was smashed when I don't want to use it.
Oh wow, yeah. Yeah, so if you have any failures on your gas, your gas, right? Strictly gas? Be sure to ask for Enrique here at Larry H. Miller Super Ford if you want to have someone who knows what they're doing. He actually did a tear down on this 3.5 EcoBoost. I think number 6 went down in this engine here. Number 3, excuse me. Number 3 went down on this one. So you guys can see this all gets reused too. This is a fuel rail.
Yeah.
Fuel.
Rail.
High pressure fuel rail.
Low sides on that, on the intake.
Low sides on the intake over there. Nice. So all that gets reused. Are you guys gonna clean all that up too, or?
Nah, I'm just gonna ship it back like that.
Okay.
Just trying to take off this chain.
Yeah, there's literally a mouse living in this engine. Crazy. All right, get lifted up. You guys will be able to see the whole thing here. Wow. Yep, remanufactured. So Ford remanufactured this.
Yes.
Oh, okay. That's nice. Yep, oil pan's already in there. Whole 9 yards.
Bro, you might as well just start vlogging, bro.
I know. You should.
Bro, I'll just start vlogging it, bro. That's the real FPV over here.
Oh yeah.
He's vlogging it right now.
So that's all new hardware, guys. Just as FYI. That's for the headers, for exhaust manifold. That's all reused hardware there.
This is the engine mount bracket.
Huh?
This is the engine mount bracket.
Oh, engine mount bracket. Oh, okay. Excuse me. So there's not much stuff you guys reuse, honestly, for these long blocks.
No.
Everything internally is there, brand new, rebuilt. And those are all the new hardware and bolts for the header, or for the exhaust manifold too. The only thing about warranty, guys, if you want to get new headers, aftermarket stuff, you might get hit with that, honestly. So what happens if you forget to put this on?
It will not start.
It will not start.
No.
Really?
People have forgotten these before. And it sucks when you forget them.
Huh. What is that called again?
This is a tone ring.
A tone ring.
For the crankshaft sensor.
Gotcha.
Just goes in here.
The last thing I want to show you guys is just the internals, specifically the valve. So in the last video, I told you I would show this to you. Now, unfortunately, on this footage, you'll see that dirt got inside, so you won't be able to see a good overview of the valves. But this engine is port injection. I believe it could be port and direct injection. Someone can chime in. I can't remember off the top of my head now. But nevertheless, I'll show you guys the new engine as a comparison. But the valves were clean. I had a chance to get a flashlight and really look a little bit closer, but I couldn't really get the camera to get a nice view of it. But I'm not sure who the customer was or what fuel they used. But yeah, the valves look pretty much like the brand new engine did. And that's a good thing too. So you're not gonna really get robbed of fuel economy and performance when you have a bunch of buildup on those valves. So that's a good thing. And I will say, when it comes down to the 5-liter Coyote, it's probably the most reliable V8 option. Obviously, most people know now that Hemi is gone, but they were having camel lifter problems. Now, as far as when that might have gotten fixed along the years, I've only really seen trucks from like 2014 to about 2017. Haven't seen anything from 2019 on with camel lifters, but I'm pretty sure they probably are out there. But with Josh, we'll probably know in the future if he gets any trucks with some miles in on them. And of course, GM's having that issue with the 6.2 and the 5.3. They took away the dynamic fuel management and then they brought it back. And I'm wondering if that was why they were having the failures too. But does the Coyote use camel lifters? They might use something different. I don't know much about the 5-liter Coyote, I'll be honest, because the 3.5 liter EcoBoost has been out for so long. I've only reviewed maybe one truck, and the ones I tried to review were all customer sold orders, so they got picked up pretty quickly, and I didn't have a chance to video on them. So I don't really have anything to go off of, but hope you guys liked the video. Thank you to Enrique for allowing us to film this process. I learned a lot. Hopefully you guys did too. Peace.